With a little preventative maintenance and some proactive measures, you can ensure you're not caught on your knees in the basement frantically trying to prevent a soggy situation because you let your preventative measure take a spring break. Robbie McCachran here, your virtual real estate advisor. If you're watching in Minnesota, I can help you buy and sell real estate here in the Twin Cities. If you're watching in anywhere USA, I can help you find a reputable and trusted advisor in your area. So reach out and let's chat how I can help you live modern. Let's dive in. The upcoming weeks are crucial for keeping your home safe from water damage, especially in the basement. As spring rains and melting snow create potential for water intrusion, it's essential to take proactive measures to avoid expensive repairs and health hazards such as mold growth. Don't let your investment be compromised. Let's explore how to protect your home. To start things off, we'll focus on getting your sump pump pumping with these 5 tips to keep your basement dry and avoid any unwanted knee-deep encounters. Tip number 1, check the float switch. Just like a party hat, the float switch is the life of the sump pump. It needs to be able to rise and fall with the water level to trigger the pump to turn on and off. Make sure it's not stuck and can move freely. Otherwise, your sump pump will just be a decoration in your basement. Tip number 2, give it some TLC. Don't neglect your sump pump. Give it the attention it deserves. Clean it, make sure it's free of debris, and test it by pouring water into the pit. Think of it as like a little spa day for your sump pump. Now, I might sound like Captain Obvious with tip number 3, but make sure the power is turned on. Your sump pump needs power to do its job, so make sure it's plugged in and has a backup power source in case of a power outage. Tip number 4, invest in a water alarm. Think of it as a smoke detector for water. A water alarm will alert you if there's water in your basement and your sump pump isn't doing its job. With this one, it's like having a little lifeguard in your basement. Lastly, don't let it get rusty. If your sump pump is rusting, it's probably time to replace it. So, to sum it up, let's avoid getting caught on our knees in the basement by making sure our sump pump doesn't take a spring break this year. Give it some TLC and make sure it's ready to handle those April showers. Your basement will appreciate it, and you won't have to put on your swim trunks just to do laundry. I'm Robbie McCachran with Modern Living MN. Thanks for watching.